How do I get my kids to think I'm cool without actually trying? I want to tell you something. Billy Joel, you know Billy Joel? Nice Jewish boy from Long Island. So I remember he said years ago when his daughters were teenagers, he said, when I'm in public with my teenage daughters and they're not listening to me and I want to get them to behave, I just threaten to sing. And they get so mortified, they'll do whatever I tell them. I thought that was so interesting because probably for most people, one of the coolest experiences you could probably ever have is to be seen in public standing with Billy Joel while he's singing in public. Unless you are Billy Joel's teenage daughters, in which case it's the most embarrassing thing in the world. So I tell that story because you could be cool, but your kids don't think you're cool. And don't worry about that. It's not our job to make our kids think that we're cool. There's absolutely no utility in your child thinking you're cool. However, can I tell you what is absolutely essential to your child's well-being? Your child has to think that you're safe. So it does not matter if your child thinks you're cool, but it's really important that your child thinks that you're safe. Because a child who thinks that their parent is reliable and trustworthy will grow up with self-confidence, with courage, and have a much better chance at a successful life. So don't worry about your kids thinking you're cool. Worry about your kids thinking that you are safe. And the way to establish yourself as safe is with the little things like being true to your word and, be accepting, non-judgmental, that kind of stuff.
Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right here.